Hello again. This is just a quick video to try and show you at least how I understand the sweep function. Um, I have this model here, and I'm trying to remodel a paintbrush, and the paintbrush has a design that looks like this. Show you a picture, and I want to be able to recreate this shape from the bottom of the handle. And what I found is that I was looking around on the net a little bit, but it's not so well explained. So if you want to use the sweep command, then the profile is the path you want the outer rim to follow. So in this case, I want the whole thingy to follow here, even though it has edges. So I have done a projection, so I get the edges here, and I want there to be a curve that is like this, and I want this to be the axis to go around. Okay. I made this possible using like planes and stuff. It's easy when you just offset planes to get the correct positions and stuff. So I'm just gonna remove that. What I have found is that if you want to if you have a circular area, that's not a problem to do a sweep around. Um, but if you want to do it like here, you want to follow a path that is not uniform, then the path is the profile is the area that you want the object to be shaped after. And here in the sweep command here, you need to change this to guide rail. So the profile is still this. Now the path the path will be this. Let me see if I can get it working correctly. So the profile is that, and let's see if I can have that. I had that before. So the path. Let's see if I can do that again. The profile is this, and the path would be this, and the guide rail will be this. And that looks kind of weird. It's not what I had before. Okay, let's go back a little bit. So path is, let's see, the profile is this, the path is this, the guide rail is this. That doesn't work. Okay. So profile, the area, the path is this, and the guide rail is this. So path is the axis that you want to rotate around, and the and profile is the bottom, the area you want to rotate after, and then you have the guide rail is the shape you sort of want to follow. So let's see if I can make that even better. Let's see. I don't know if that works to have two sweeps. Profile is this, and you cannot have two. use two profiles? Nope. Path, guide rail,